You got our stainless steel. It's a 3-layer pan, ceramic coating on it, which will be a non-stick. I've already washed it, so I'm going to show you. Nice handle on it. You can tell, riveted here, very well designed. So I'm going to cook some sausage or some eggs, and we'll show you how it works. Now you can see with that non-stick how it just swirls right around. Now it's real nice, lightweight handle. Just flip it over. Again, no stickers at all. Okay, now the yolk's coming out, so turn this off. Just slide on the plate. Okay, so if you're looking for a real lightweight, 3-layer design with the ceramic coating, I definitely recommend this product.